MSP Manager's billing function integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks accounting software using the QuickBooks Web Connector, so you can automatically generate and import customer invoices and new customer records without manually re-entering any data.
Before you start, be sure to turn off any pop-up blockers in your browser. Then, open QuickBooks on your desktop, go to the List tab, and from the drop-down selections, choose Item List.
Now go into MSP Manager, choose Account Settings, and from the navigation menu on the left side, select Integrations, and then QuickBooks Desktop.
Click on Add a QuickBooks item to get started. When you see the prompt, refer back to the item list which you already opened in your QuickBooks software and enter the first item name. Add a description if you wish, or just leave it blank. Remember, the item names need to match, so be careful to type the name exactly as it appears in QuickBooks, with the same spacing and capitalization.
The items will appear immediately in MSP Manager as you add each one. Continue until you've entered all of the items from the QuickBooks list. Next, create mappings so that your billing line items are recorded in the correct accounts in QuickBooks when you export from MSP Manager.
Choose from the list to set your global default mappings for each line item. Remember, you can override these defaults for any customer. For example, you can accommodate different tax structures for out-of-state customers or track different consultant billing rates in separate buckets. Click Save Default Mappings. So now, when you create an invoice, you can easily export to QuickBooks. From the billing page, select QuickBooks Desktop from the drop-down menu, then click Export Invoices, and you will see that your export is scheduled. Following the instructions on the right-hand side of the page, be sure that QuickBooks is open, then click on the QWC file link to download the QuickBooks Web Connector. Click on the download to run and open the connector.
Then click OK to authorize MSP Manager to connect with QuickBooks.
When the application certificate appears, choose the option that says Yes, always allow access. Then click on Continue. A message will appear to confirm access. Click Done to close the window, and your integration is complete.
You will now see an item in your QuickBooks Web Connector window called MSP Manager Service. In the password column, enter the password you used to log into MSP Manager.
Click once in the blank portion of the window, and a prompt will ask if you want to save the password. Click Yes.
Next, click on the checkbox next to MSP Manager Service, and then click on the Update Selected button.
And your new customer record and invoice instantly generate in QuickBooks.
Now that you have integrated with QuickBooks Desktop, future invoicing is a breeze. Simply export invoices from MSP Manager and click the Update Selected button in your QuickBooks Web Connector, and your invoices appear instantly in QuickBooks.